What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're here with Ashimary. Okay, same packaging as usual, just a drawstring bag and everything is inside. So let's see what we got. All right, so first thing I'm seeing is a wig. Oh my gosh, balloon. Can't wait. So we'll get into that. So the goodies I got in today's package, I got this edge brush and comb. I got this Ashimary like elastic headband. I also got a pair of wig caps. And I got a pair of lashes as well. And I also got this little razor here. This is good to cut your lace. You know, get everything nice and precise. And that's everything that came in the package. This is today's wig, guys. I am so excited. This is a 26-inch straight, like streak 613 vibe. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. Guys, this is a vibe, okay? Oh my gosh, you see the highlights and the lowlights. This is a gorgeous 613 vibe. It is not yellow, but you know, if you want to go in and tone it more, you could. Just a tad bit. It is gorgeous. It's not coarse. Now, you know this is some processed hair. Usually, you know, when it comes down to 613, a lot of times it will be coarse. This is not coarse. It's not like extremely silky, but it's not coarse, like, and like hard to get through. You know, it's very nice and full. Am I getting shedding? Just like one strand. Yeah, like one strand at a time. It's not a lot in comparison to what, you know, usual processed wigs would feel like. So the front is also lightly pre-plucked. This is how it looks. It looks really good. There's a total of 4 combs on the inside. All right, looks really good. Love that. And adjustable straps are also in the back, you know, for your security. And as I said, this is 26 inches long in terms of density. I'll be sure to add all the specifications in my description box, so check that out. This is nice and flowy. I can't wait to go ahead and install this. I'm going to be doing a nice spray install today. I'm going to be using my Ebony spray for this installation. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go. So, I'm so excited for this, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of make me look like a patch of gray in the front. I'm gonna really finesse this though. Right now it looks a little, you know, off, but we're gonna fix it. You know, I'm just gonna measure it up, you know, the usual, and cut away the excess lace. And I want to get this nice and sleek, sleek middle part vibe in my Ebony Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray for this install. So what I noticed is, like, you know, it is pre-plucked but lightly. There is not a deep graduation. But you know what? Since recently I realized even if there is not like a deep graduation, as long as it's not too dense in the hairline, like, it still is very easy to work with. Once it's nice and flat and it has that nice little, even a light pre-pluck, like a nice pre-plucked light look to it, it will still look very realistic. So you don't need to stress it if it's not like super deeply, you know, graduated at the hairline there. So I'm gonna start with my spray, and I'm gonna fast forward through this portion. Usually I just work with one layer of spray when I'm cutting away the excess lace, and if any part in the front is like peeling a little, I'll go over with it with a little bit more, but that's as far as it goes. So I went ahead and cut off the first piece of lace because I'm done with applying the initial layer of my spray. So, you know, when you get to this portion where you're cutting away the excess lace, you know, like how you see these little piece here that will lift, you just go back over it. You just go back over it with some more spray. Don't be afraid. Just make sure you're holding down on it so that it doesn't lift off in case anything. Because remember, it's only the spray that we're using as the adhesive. I'm not gonna do a heavy sideburn there. As you can see, I just part it up, and I'm gonna go over that section with a little bit of spray, and then I blow dry that down with my blow dryer on cool air. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a center part because I want a nice middle part. Even though we don't have the deepest parting space, we're gonna make it work. Get it as flat and laid as possible. The hair feels so good, guys. It feels so good. Like, you can tell that it's of great quality, you know? Now what I'm gonna do is just take my time and go through the wig with my flat iron, but everything is looking so good, you know. Hairline looking very realistic, blended down really nicely. Straight. It's already really straight and nice, you know, but because you want that nice, sleek, precise look, yeah, I'm just gonna run through. And it's gonna look so good. Like, you know, this really goes well for like one of those occasions, you know, you're going out, you want to turn up. I always get that kind of vibe when it comes on to 613, like 613 color, the hair color. You know, it's like, yeah, definitely on the bolder side. So, you know, if you're ready to really switch it up and like give that fun kind of vibe, 613 is always the way to go, you know. So I love that. Also for the hair, still I'm not getting a lot of shedding, very minimal, you know, and you know, it is straight hair, so it is expected to be nice and sleek, and it's that for sure. I don't have any complaints where that is concerned. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and it looks really good. When I'm finished with straightening the entire wig, I'm gonna kind of layer it in the front to kind of frame my face more and give me like that nice layered bone straight vibe. Look at that movement, super nice. Love that. Yeah. So I went ahead, I gave this side a little bit of layer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the next side, you know, just so that, you know, we can frame the face really nicely. So just take my scissors. And I don't know, something about this cut just always add a little bit more pizzazz to like the entire look when it comes on to straight hair. Like a nice center part blended really nicely. The hairline looks really immaculate. It's a goal. It's definitely a goal, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box because it's giving. It is a solid 10. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. If you found this video informative, if you like the look, if you love the wig, you know, go ahead, give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also share it, and stay tuned for other wig looks that I have coming up, because you guys know I have so many. And yeah, shout out to Ashimary once more for another gorgeous wig. Yes, that's it for today. So until then, just go big up on yourself. Bye.